Okay, question number 2. So if you didn't get the right answer to this, you're going to look at the video and try to figure out where you went wrong so that you don't make that mistake again. Okay, so Brandon's going bowling. He's bowled 5 games, and these are his scores. So these are the numbers that we are going to need to find the mean absolute deviation. Okay, so mean absolute deviation, 3 words, 3 steps. First step, find the mean. That's the mean part. Deviation is how much it differs. So now we're going to figure out how much each of those numbers differ from the mean. And then absolute, we're going to take the positive, the distance, so the positive number. And then find the mean again. So we're going to find the mean twice. Okay, so find the mean, subtract, find the mean. Those are the 3 steps. All right, so mean refers to the average, so we're going to add these numbers together. 103, 142, 114, and 106. There we go. Okay, and of course, grab your calculator, but this doesn't look too bad. 4 and 6 is 10, 5 and 3 is 8, and 2 is 10, so that gives me 20. So now I'm going to do 9 and 1 is 10, 14, 15, 16, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 560. Okay, and now you have 5 data points, so we are going to divide that by 5. So 5 goes into 5 once, 5 goes into 6 once, with 1 left over, bring down the 0, 5 goes into 10 twice. And look, here it is, but that's not right, that's the mean. It didn't ask us for the mean. If it asked us for the mean, if it wanted the mean, it would just say find the mean. It wouldn't call it a mean absolute deviation, so not that one. Okay, so now that's my mean. So now I have to find the difference. So now I'm going to subtract. So step 1 was find the mean. Step 2 is subtract. And you're going to subtract a 112 from each of these numbers. So you're going to do 112 minus 95. Then 112 minus 103. Then 112 minus 142. And you're just going to make sure you take the positive. So it's really 142 minus 112. Okay? All right, so let me grab my calculator here and clear it. All right, so 112 minus 95 is 17. And 112 minus 103 is 9. And 142 minus 112 is 30. Okay, let me move this up a little bit. 114 and 106. So 114 minus 112 is 2. And 112 minus 106 is 6. So now I'm going to take these numbers that I got from the subtraction, and I'm going to find the mean. So I'm going to do 17 plus 19 plus 30 plus 2 plus 6. I'm going to add that together. And you know, I saw somewhere in stuff that came from the district about all this distance learning that Texas Instruments is offering a free trial, I don't know how many days, for the calculator like the one you use at school. Or you can use a calculator on your phone or on your Chromebook or Desmos, but that pretty much does graphing. Okay. If I find the link, I'll put it in the classroom for you guys. All right, so 64. And then I need to divide that by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 again. And 64 divided by 5 is 12.8. So C is your answer. That's kind of big, which would tell me the average might not be, the mean might not be the best way to describe this, because you have this 95, which is really low, and 142, which is really high. So that kind of throws it off a little bit. Okay,